In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable slide to type on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the slide to type, you don't need to type each of your words just like this. What you just need to do whenever you want to type a word is just slide like this on your iPhone keyboard to type. So instead of typing like that on iPhone, you can just use the slide to type feature on your iPhone to type on your iPhone. So if you're done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Once you selected that, scroll down and click on keyboard. Now under keyboard, you want to scroll down, click on slide to type, turn this on. Is that this is going to turn on slide to type like this. Then once you enable slide to type, another feature will come up underneath it, which is called delete slide to type by word. So if this is disabled, then you go back to your slide to type. You see that? So that one is going to disable slide to type by word, and if it is enabled, it's going to enable slide to type by word. So this is how you can easily turn on slide to type on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.